Alright, technique 30. Shoot the fly away. Make the fly go away when the lights turn off. No, next flat. Actually, we're gonna play Super Mario Maker 2. I'm telling you, technique 30. Shoot the fly away. Like I said, that assembly dojo. Look like you're just playing WarioWare D.I.Y. Relationships between the objects are commonly defined by their respective switches. The more complex a game becomes, the harder it becomes to organize and manage those switches. Solving this challenge requires that you understand the relationship that each object has with each of the other objects. Figuring it out your own AI can be hard enough, but winning and understanding the overall structure of AI written by other people can require some weird detective work. But you solved this challenge, so you might just have a career in police work. Good job.